Today's secret find is in Key Largo, Florida by mile marker 100. There's Jacobs Aquatic Center, a unique place to spend a whole day with the family. Here's Karina for her big jump. One of the things about Jacobs Aquatic Center is that they got diving boards, which you don't see too often anymore.
There you go.
So if you want to come down here, you can do some dives, you can do a jackknife, 1.5, backflip, you name it.
What I like about Jacobs Aquatic Center is the diving board.
Another good thing here, they got a wheelchair ramp. If you want to take a wheelchair and kind of get in the water, it's got this ADA ramp into the water. That's very cool. But what really drew us to Jacobs Aquatic Center is the pirate ship splash pad kids area.
Something.
Yeah, I want to say we're gonna watch Mommy and Daddy do a flip on the high dive.
Wait, say it again.
We're gonna watch Mommy and Daddy do a flip on the high dive. You ready?
What? Yeah.
Well, there you have it. This ends the Guerra family trip to Jacobs Aquatic Center in Key Largo, Florida. And for all of you that want to know, it's only $25 per family of 4. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the real world.